G'day guys, so I've got my MSI Claw 8 AI Plus, and what's going on with this is that right now I'm in Steam Big Picture mode and the controls just don't really work for me. Now I've done a fresh reinstall of Windows and the controls are driving me up the wall, so I've been able to use directions, but if I go to select anything, so if I try to go here, we've actually done it. If I try and go back, I get print and forward. And it's driving me nuts, but I've since figured out if I press this button and bring up the MSI quick settings, I'm currently set on desktop mode. I want to change that to gamepad mode and quit back out. So the issue is that MSI is I currently had it set on desktop mode, which basically treats this as a keyboard and mouse. And I reckon that's meant to be right click. And the whole time I'm doing it, I'm navigating, it's just not working properly. But if I switch it to gamepad mode, I'm going to Counter-Strike, I want to go back out of Counter-Strike, it operates perfectly fine. So just double check that setting. Make sure that is good. That will do. Bye.